Well, it's Ryan here, 780 Speed and Custom. As always, I appreciate you stopping by, tuning into the channel. Today, obviously, working in the garage again, but a little bit different. I've got a couple issues on the 40 to finish up, and then I'm getting ready to go to a local race in Forestburg tomorrow. So, my valve cover issue's back. Keep pushing the gasket out, it keeps leaking. But under closer inspection, I figured out what the problem was. The brackets for the coil at the back are actually contacting part of my firewall. So I didn't notch that enough, obviously, to fit this LS motor. Temporary fix, or hopefully a fix that'll work. I've basically just cut the ear off of the back of a valve cover and, sectioned the coil bracket. So it should have the room that it needs. And I've got to weld a bung into this new valve cover, but once I get that done, I just need to pack up some tools and I should be ready to go. So I'll show you what I got going on here, where the issue was, and yeah, we can go from there. So this is the valve cover that I had on the truck, and this is the issue I'm talking about here. This ear here was actually contacting, I've cut this off already, but the coil bracket sits something like that, and you can see where it's been hitting. So I got a new valve cover over here, and I've actually cut this ear off, and obviously cut this piece off the coil bracket. So that should give me another 3/4 of an inch to an inch of room or clearance, and should fix my problem. So all I've got to do is weld a bung onto this for my catch can. Just getting that ready to go, take it up, and hopefully I solved my valve cover leaking issue with this. Well, it's not my best welding ever, but it's also not my worst welding ever, so should work. Just give that a minute to cool and I can put it on the truck. So there you have it. Bung's welded in, new hardware, new gasket. Time to go slap it in the truck. Yeah, valve cover off. Everything looks good in there. So I still got to put the coil bracket on, but you can see just how much room that gave me. Quite a bit. So I'm thinking that'll solve the issue. Well, everything's installed. I guess fingers crossed. We'll see if it actually stays that way and not leaking.